Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going green and talking about the incredible health benefits of incorporating spinach into your daily diet. Yes, you heard that right, spinach, the superhero of leafy greens. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting health tips and nutrition advice. 1. Nutritional powerhouse. So, what makes spinach such a nutritional powerhouse? Well, for starters, it's packed with vitamins and minerals. 1 cup of raw spinach provides more than your daily requirement of vitamin K, and it's an excellent source of vitamin A, vitamin C, and folate. It's also rich in minerals like iron and magnesium, which are crucial for your overall well-being. 2. Low in calories, high in fiber, but wait, there's more. Spinach is incredibly low in calories, making it a weight-conscious choice. Yet, it's super high in dietary fiber, which keeps you feeling full and satisfied, preventing those unhealthy snack cravings. 3. Heart health. Now, let's talk about your heart. Spinach is loaded with potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. Plus, it contains heart-healthy nutrients like antioxidants and nitrates, which have been linked to improved cardiovascular health. Regular consumption of spinach can reduce the risk of heart diseases. 4. Strong bones. Strong bones are essential, right? Well, spinach isn't just about Popeye's muscles. It's also a great source of vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in bone health by helping with calcium absorption. So, it's not just milk that makes your bones strong, spinach does its part too. 5. Eye health. Ever heard that carrots are good for your eyes? Well, spinach is no slouch in the eye health department either. It's loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 antioxidants that protect your eyes from harmful light and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. 6. Skin glow. Want that natural glow? Spinach can help. Its high vitamin A content promotes healthy skin by supporting the production of skin cells and fighting acne. So, if you want to look radiant, make spinach your daily beauty secret. Conclusion. Alright, folks, there you have it, a myriad of reasons why you should consider making spinach a part of your daily diet. From its impressive nutritional profile to its heart, bone, eye, and skin benefits, this leafy green is a true superstar. Remember, it's not just about eating spinach but also enjoying the variety it brings to your meals. Add it to salads, smoothies, omelets, and more. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Let's all start enjoying the health benefits of spinach together. Thanks for tuning into our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.